Selena, Class 10, Chapter 20, Cylinder, Cone and Sphere, Surface Area and Volume. Sum number 13. A solid consisting of a right circular cone standing on a hemisphere is placed upright in a right circular cylinder full of water and touches the bottom. Find the volume of water left in the cylinder, having given that the radius of the cylinder is 3 cm and the height is 6 cm, radius of hemisphere is 2 cm and height of cone is 4 cm. Give your answer to the nearest cubic centimeter. Given radius of cylinder 3 cm, height of cylinder 6 cm, radius of hemisphere 2 cm, height of cone 4 cm, volume of water in the cylinder when it is full will be pi r square h equal to pi into 3 into 3 into 6 equal to 54 pi centimeter cube. Volume of water displayed is equal to volume of cone plus volume of hemisphere equal to 1 upon 3 pi r square h plus 2 upon 3 pi r cube. Here 1 upon 3 pi r square is common, remaining into h plus 2r. Substitute the value 1 upon 3 pi into 2 into 4 plus 2 into 2. 1 upon 3 pi 4 into 8 equal to 32 upon 3 pi cube. Therefore, volume of water left equal to 54 pi minus 32 upon 3 pi equal to 130 upon 3 pi equal to 130 upon 3 into 22 upon 7 equal to 2860 upon 21, which is 136.19. Approximately volume of water left is 136 centimeter cube. Sum number 14. A metal container in a form of a cylinder is surmounted by a hemisphere of same radius. The internal height of the cylinder is 7 meter and internal radius is 3.5 meter. Calculate first part the total area of the internal surface excluding the base. Second part the internal volume of the container in meter cube. Given radius of cylinder equal to 3.5 meter, height 7 meter. First part total surface area of the container excluding the base is curved surface area of the cylinder plus area of hemisphere equal to 2 pi rh plus 2 pi r square equal to, substitute the value 2 into 22 upon 7 into 3.5 into 7 plus 2 into 22 by 7 into 3.5 into 3.5 equal to 154 plus 77 equal to 231 meters square. Second part, volume of container equal to pi r square h, volume of cylinder plus volume of hemisphere 2 upon 3 pi r cube equal to 22 upon 7 into 3.5 into 3.5 into 7 plus 2 upon 3 into 22 upon 7 into 3.5 into 3.5 into 3.5 equal to 539 upon 2 plus 539 upon 6 equal to 1617 plus 539 upon 6 equal to 2156 upon 6. Volume of the container is equal to 359.33 meter cube. Sum number 15. An exhibition tent is in a form of a cylindrical surmounted by a cone. The height of the tent above the ground is 85 meter and height of the cylindrical part is 50 meter. If the diameter of the base is 168 meter, find the quantity of canvas required to make the tent. Allow 20% extra for fold and for stitching. Give your answer to nearest meter square. Total height of the tent given is 85 meter. Diameter of the base 168 meter. Therefore radius 84 meter. Height of the cylindrical part is 50 meter. Therefore height of the conical part will be 85 minus 50 equal to 35 meter. Slant height of the cone is r square root of r square plus h square equal to root of 84 square plus 35 square equal to root of 7056 plus 1225 equal to root of 8281 equal to 91 meters. Slant height L equal to 91 meter. Total surface area of tent is curved surface area of the cylinder plus curved surface area of the cone. It equal to 2 pi r h plus pi r l. Pi r is common into 2h plus l equal to, substitute the value, 22 upon 7 into 84 into 2 into 50 plus 91 equal to 264 into 100 plus 91. 264 into 191 is equal to 50,424 meters square. 20% extra needed for folding and stitching. Therefore, total area needed is 50,424 into 120 upon 100 equal to 60,508.8 equal to 60,509 meters square. 60,509 meters square. Sum number 16. A test tube consists of hemisphere and a cylinder of same radius. The volume of water required to fill the whole tube is 5159 upon 6 centimeter square and 4235 upon 6 centimeter cube of water is required. This is 5159 upon 6 centimeter cube and 4235 upon 6 centimeter cube of water are required to fill the tube to a level which is 4 meters below the top, 4 centimeter below the top of the tube. Find the radius of the tube and the length of its cylindrical part. Volume of water filled in test tube is 5159 upon 6 centimeter cube. Volume of water filled up to 4 centimeter less is 4235 upon 6 centimeter cube. Let R be the radius and H be the height of the test tube. Therefore, total volume when it is full is volume of semisphere plus volume of the cylinder. So 2 upon 3 pi r cube plus pi r square h is equal to 5159 upon 6. Here pi r square is common, so pi r square into 2 upon 3 r plus h equal to 5159 upon 6. Okay, multiply by 3. Here take the 3 common outside. Pi r square upon 3 into 2r plus 3h is equals to 5159 upon 6. Pi r square equal to 2r plus 3h equal to 1559 upon 2. Let that be equation 1. And 2 upon 3 pi r cube plus pi r square h minus 4 centimeter less is equals to 4235 upon 6. Pi r square equal to, here pi r square is common, so pi r square into 2 upon 3 r plus h minus 4 equal to 4235 upon 6. Pi r square upon 3 into 2r plus 3h minus 12 equal to 4235 upon 6. Pi r square into 2r plus 3h minus 12 equal to 4235 upon 2. Let that be equation 2. Dividing 1 by 2, we get 2r plus 3h upon 2r plus 3h minus 12 equal to 5159 upon 4235. Let that be equation 2. Subtracting equation 2 from 1, we get pi r square into 12 equal to 5159 upon 2 minus 4235 upon 2 equal to 924 upon 2. Substitute the value. 22 upon 7 into r square is equals to 924 upon 2. Therefore, r square is equals to 924 into 7 upon 2 into 12 into 22 equal to 7 into 7 upon 2 into 2. R is equal to 7 upon 2 equal to 3.5 centimeter. Substituting the value of R in equation 3, 2 into 7 upon 2 plus 3h upon 2 into 7 upon 2 plus 3h minus 12 equal to 5159 upon 4235. 7 plus 3h upon 7 plus 3h minus 12 equal to 5159 upon 4235, which is equal to 469 upon 385. Cross multiply. 2695 plus 1155h equal to 1407h minus 2345. 252h equal to 5040. H equal to 20. Hence, height equal to 20 centimeter and radius equal to 3.5 centimeter.